Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we will do the MCQ of class 9 economics chapter 1, the story of village Palampur. In this video you have 40 MCQ question with solution. First I will read the question. After a few seconds I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, now start our video. Question 1. Palampur resemble a village of the western part of the state of option A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct option is Uttar Pradesh. Question 2. What is the main activity of Palampur village? Option A. Cottage industry, B. Small scale industries, C. Dairy farming, D. Agriculture. Correct option is D. Agriculture. Question C. How many families own less than 2 hectares of land at Palampur? Option A. 450, B. 60, C. 240, D. 150. Correct option is C. 240. Question 4. How many families own more than 2 hectares of land at Palampur? Option A. 60, B. 150, C. 240, D. 450. Correct option is A. 60. Question 5. Which of the following facility does Palampur village have? Option A. Electricity, B. Primary and high school, C. Primary health care center, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 6. Palampur has fairly well developed system of option A. Transport, B. Road, C. Irrigation, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 7. The aim of production is option A. To produce the goods and services that we want, B. To produce the goods and services that we do not want, C. To produce services only, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. To produce the goods and services that we want. Question 8. Tools, machines and buildings can be used to production over many years are called option A. Physical capital, B. Secondary capital, C. Fixed capital, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Fixed capital. Question 9. Raw material and money in hand are called option A. Fixed capital, B. Working capital, C. Primary capital, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Working capital. Question 10. The factors of production includes option A. Land and labor, B. Physical capital, C. Human capital, D. All of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Question 11. In Palampur, the percentage of people who are working and dependent on farming for their livelihood is option A. 75%, B. 80%, C. 60%, D. 65%. Correct option is A, 75%. Question 12. The majority of land in the village is owned by option A, lower caste families, B, upper caste families, C, landlords, D, all of the above. Correct option is B, upper caste families. Question 13. Biga and Gwintha are option A, the type of village house, B, the type of hybrid seeds, C, the measuring unit of grain, D, the measuring units of land area in village. Correct option is D, the measuring units of land area in village. Question 14. Which is not a non-farm activity there? Option A, shopkeeping, B, transport, C, manufacturing, D, sewing. Correct option is D, sewing. Question 15. From where do most small farmers usually borrow money to arrange for their capital? Option A, large farmers, B, traders, C, village money lenders, D, all of these. Correct option is D, all of these. Question 16. When did the Green Revolution take place in India? Option A, in the early 1960s, B, in the mid 1960s, C, in the late 1960s, in the late 1970s. Correct option is C, in the late 1960s. Question 17. The Green Revolution introduced the farmers to option A, cultivation of wheat and rice, B, cultivation of green vegetables, C, cultivation of forest, D, cultivation of sugarcane. Correct option is A, cultivation of wheat and rice. Question 18. Which crops are grown in Palampur during the rainy season? Option A, wheat and rice, B, sugarcane and potato, C, millets and rye, D, jowar and bajra. Correct option is D, jowar and bajra. Question 19. What is the side effect of the Green Revolution? Option A, it made farmers ineffective, B, it pushed farmers into debt, C, it reduced soil fertility, D, it enhanced soil fertility. Correct option is C, it reduced soil fertility. Question 20. Farmers of which state first tried out the modern farming method in India? Option A, Punjab, Haryana and Eastern Uttar Pradesh. B, Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. C, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. D, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. Correct option is B, Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Question 21. The most abundant factor of production is option A, labor, B, land, C, machinery, D, all of the above. Correct option is labor. Question 22. Multiple cropping refers to option A, Cultivation of wheat and rice. B. Cultivation of two crops in alternate rows. C. Cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year. D. Cultivating crops and rearing animals on the same farm. Correct option is C. Cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year. Question 23. Which one of the following is not an effective? Question 23. Which one of the following is not an effect of modern farming? Option A. Soil degradation. B. Deforestation. C. Decrease in groundwater. D. Afforestation. Correct answer is D. Afforestation. Question 24. Finance raised to operate a business is called. Option A. Labor. Enterprises. C. Land. D. Capital. Correct option is D. Capital. Question 25. Which among the nearest village to Palampur? Option A. Shahapur. B. Paharganj. C. Raiganj. D. Sitapur. Correct option is C. Raiganj. Question 26. What is the name of the nearest town to Palampur? Option A. Shahapur. B. Durgapur. C. Govindpur. D. Raiganj. Correct answer is A. Shahapur. Question 27. The standard unit of measuring land is. Option A. Bigha. B. Guntha. C. Hectare. D. Kilometer. Correct answer is C. Hectare. Question 28. 1 hectare is equal to the area of how many square meter? Option A. 80 square meter. B. 1000 square meters. C. 10,000 square meter. D. 100 square meter. Correct answer is C. 10,000 square meter. Question 29. Who is small farmer? Option A. A farmer having 2 hectares of land. B. A farmer having 6 hectares of land. C. A farmer having more than 2 hectares of land. D. A farmer having less than 2 hectares of land. Correct answer is D. A farmer having less than 2 hectares of land. Question 30. What is HYV seeds? Option A. High varieties of yield. B. High yielding varieties. C. Highest yielding varieties. D. High yellow varieties. Correct answer is B. High yielding varieties. Question 31. What is the source of capital for the large farmers? Option A. Money lender. B. Relatives and friends. C. Banks and self savings. D. Traders. Correct answer is C. Banks and self savings. Question 32. Which area in India has low level of irrigation? Option A. Deccan Plateau. B. Coastal regions. C. Riverine plains. D. Both A and B. Correct option is A. Deccan Plateau. Question 33. Which of these is a modern farming method? Option A, multiple cropping. B, use of HYV seeds. C, use of chemical fertilizers. B, both B and C. Correct answer is D, both B and C. Question 34. Which kharif crop is used for cattle feed? Option A, sugarcane. B, potato. C, jowar and bajra. D, wheat. Correct option is C, jowar and bajra. Question 35. Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Option A, money lender. B, entrepreneur. C, zamindar. D, manager. Correct answer is B, entrepreneur. Question 36. What is done for surplus wheat in Palampur? Option A, sold in the market. B, destroyed. C, stocked by self. D, given in the charity. Correct option is A, sold in the market. Question 37. Operation Flood is related to option A, control flood. B, produce fish. C, milk production. D, grain production. Correct option is C, milk production. Question 38. Which among the following is not fixed capital? Option A, machine. B, buildings. C, tools. D, raw material. Correct option is raw material. Question 39. Why do the farmers of Palampur follow multiple cropping? Option A, because the water consumption is less in this method. B, because this method consumes less chemical fertilizers. C, because this method does not require fertile soils. D, because this method is the most common way of increasing production. Correct option is D, because this method is the most common way of increasing production. Question 40. The use of high yield with combinations of HYV seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. refers to option A, modern farming. B, mixed cropping. C, multiple cropping. D, mega cropping. Correct option is A, modern cropping. Thank you. Thank you so much.